Hey, what's up? What's going on, everybody? Here's a pretty good tip. Here's something that this isn't just for dual sport riders. This works all the way around. All motorcycles, any shape, form, size, whatever. A great thing to definitely have on you, especially if you're traveling. This stuff right here could literally be the difference of you fixing a problem and not fixing a problem. What am I talking about? Yeah. Duct tape, Gorilla tape, whatever kind of tape, as long as it's a duct tape type of deal. It was invented for the US military, and I tell you what, this stuff is just probably one of the most valuable things that you could potentially put in your gear because it works so great. It's can seal a hole, make it waterproof. You can wrap a wire up. Man, there's all sorts of things that you can do with duct tape. Duct tape does so many things, have so many different uses for it. So think about maybe putting a little bit of duct tape, not a giant roll that I have right there, but just some duct tape, wrap it up into a loop, maybe wrap it around a pencil or a pen or something like that, maybe about 2-3 feet. That could come in handy someday. So that's your tip in 2 minutes or less. You guys have a great day.